Most stand-up comedians make people laugh, but Zakir Khan made people feel seen. And that is why a guy from Indore who used to do open mics headlined a whole Hindi stand-up comedy at Madison Square Garden. Welcome back to Marketing Uncharted, and today we are talking about Zakir Khan. Not the popular guy because he was shocking people, having controversies, or just was too loud. He became popular because he was storytelling, he was vulnerable and connected to people's emotions. Zakir Khan was not always famous. In 2012, he won Comedy Central, but that was not the real breakthrough. The real breakthrough came when he switched over from just comedy to comedy and storytelling. Most comedians were just cracking jokes, but he had mastered a different skill. He started storytelling in a comic fashion. And then came the iconic statement, "Sakht Londa."
सख्त लौंडे इज्जत से रहते हैं अपनी.
And that is what made him relatable to everyone. Suddenly, every middle-class person understood what he was telling. The story stemmed from our everyday lives. And that's why he built this hardcore brand value. Here's how Zakir Khan's personal branding becomes interesting. Most comedians actually brand themselves around being funny, maybe sarcastic, maybe slapstick. But Zakir Khan actually made himself brand as a middle-class guy who's emotional, who's family-oriented, who has had breakups, something that was absolutely what one another could relate to. He's not just positioned as the guy who makes you laugh. He's positioned as the friend who tells stories. People quote his shairis, his jokes, his iconic statements in their everyday life, and that is how we know that Zakir Khan has made an impact through his personal brand. Let's talk about the numbers. Zakir Khan has 8.4 million YouTube subscribers, over 900 million views on YouTube. He has 8 million followers on Instagram, 236 YouTube uploads, 5 comedy specials, and multiple web series and podcast projects. His stand-up specials include Haq Se Single, Kaksha 11वीं, Tathastu, Manpasand, Delulu Express. These numbers for a stand-up comedian are huge because comedy does not scale so much. This is in comparison to what mainstream cinema or songs or music would garner numbers. Let's look at the marketing ecosystem that Zakir Khan created through his personal brand value. His business portfolio includes Amazon Prime specials, 5 major specials across multiple years, Chacha Vidhayak Hain Hamare, a web series he created and starred in. The show has run for 3 seasons and 24 episodes. Comicstaan, where he was the judge and mentor. Farzi Mushaira, he was the writer, host and performer of this show. Live touring, and this is where the real money is. In today's time, comedy is not just limited to YouTube. It has extended to live touring, ticket sales, sponsorships, ads, and a lot of appearances that one does and earns money through it. And Zakir Khan, in today's time, has become one of the highest grossing comedians India has seen. There comes a moment in every comedian's life that changes his positioning forever. That moment was him selling out his own show at the Madison Square Garden, New York. This show was a full Hindi show headlined by Zakir Khan. It had over 6,000 attendees, and the moment that changed everything, the clip that went viral, was that after the show, Zakir Khan brought out his parents to show them the whole crowd. It was not even a joke, it was something that the audiences connected with emotionally so much. It is something we all yearn for, our parents being proud of us, and that is what he showcased to the world. That branding will stay with people forever. Like any other public personality, Zakir Khan is still not safe from controversies. Recently, a lot of his older clips had resurfaced where people had debated a lot about his jokes. But his brand stayed insulated from these kind of controversies and backlash. The reason? Because people connect with him because of outrage. They've connected with him because of affection. And that is a huge brand equity that Zakir Khan carries. We all know Zakir Khan is trending, but here's the interesting part. He's not trending because of a marketing stunt. He's not trending because of controversies. He's trending because he's Zakir Khan. There are 2 conversations happening around him. The first one is when he announced his break for about 3 to 5 years. Imagine this, a comedian at the peak of his career says that he is in a burnout stage and wants to take a break. And secondly, after his iconic performance at the Madison Square Garden, an old joke resurfaced and engulfed him in controversies. Now, people are not just discussing his content, people are actually discussing Zakir Khan as a cultural moment. Imagine his brand to be so big that it's not just about him as a comedian, it's about him as a person, it's about him and what he represents. The biggest lesson here from Zakir Khan's brand, personality and brand equity is that he is not just a comedian. It's about him becoming a cultural movement, a cultural export, not just in India, across the globe. He's someone who's been talking about. He's garnered so many numbers on the internet. And most importantly, people have connected with him emotionally, and that is not going away soon. So that's the lesson for us. And if you've liked this video till here, please hit the like button, support us by subscribing, and thank you for watching.